First hands-on practical exercise. In the last video, you learned how to start Microsoft Excel. Now you are in Microsoft Excel environment. In this video, I will guide you through your first hands-on practical exercise, where you will first and foremost learn how to use Microsoft Excel practically by entering numbers and performing a little operation. We are going to enter numbers from 1 to 20 into two sections. First, we enter it vertically, and then we enter the same numbers horizontally, then we perform the operation. So let's get started. The vertical section is starting from cell A2. So click your mouse on cell A2, your cell pointer comes there, then you start typing the numbers 1 to 20. After typing the first number, press the down arrow key, type the next number, and it keeps going. This is typing numbers manually. As time goes on, we are going to learn how to type numbers automatically by using what we call fill series. You will learn that in the next sections. Having completed the vertical section, we now move to the horizontal section starting from B1. So type the same numbers 1 to 20. As you type the first number, you press the right arrow key to move to the next cell. Type the next one, press the right arrow key again, like that until you get to the end. So that's it. You can now see that the numbers I have typed do not fit within the screen. So all we need to do is to reduce the column width so that we can see all the numbers in one place. This is it. As you can now see all the numbers that I have entered, so let's enter the formula to start the operation. Every formula in Excel starts with equal sign. So in this cell where I'm going to type the formula for this operation, you start by typing equals to. Then the formula is going to begin with $sign. To get $sign on your keyboard, hold down the shift key and then press number 4. You have a $sign. So type $sign A2 multiplied by the multiplication symbol is on top of number 8. Hold down shift key and press 8, you get multiplication symbol. Multiplied by B $sign 1. This is the formula. So once you enter this formula in this way, press enter on the keyboard. Enter. So it gives you the result of 1. Now having gotten this result of 1, click on that one that you have gotten as result, highlight it along the horizontal line up to the last number 20. Then highlight downwards too to the last number 20. Then release your mouse. That is, you have highlighted this section just this way you have seen, stopping in cell U21. This column U on row 21. Highlight the whole of this range, including the result of the formula you have just typed. Having done that, then press F2 key on the keyboard. F2 is a single key. On the function keys, you have F1, F2, F3 up to F12. So press the F2 key. Once you press the F2 key, the formula you have just typed that gives us the result of 1 will show again. So from this position, hold down Ctrl key on the keyboard and press enter. I'm not going to do that for you. That will be what you are going to do. Once you press Ctrl enter, something will happen. So observe what has happened. Send me an email message explaining what you achieved and what has happened when you do that. So this is the end of the first hands-on practical exercise. This first hands-on practical exercise is an eye-opener for you as a new Excel user. So if you are able to do this first hands-on practical exercise successfully, you are going to be an Excel expert that you want to be. In this video, you have learned how to enter values into Excel worksheets and how to enter a formula into a worksheet. So you are yet to complete the lessons you have come to learn in this video. So complete the lesson and send me a report. In the next video, I'm going to take you through Excel environment, starting from the top, which is the quick access toolbar, then to the tabs, and then the ribbon bar, the formula bar, and explain the worksheet area and every other feature on the Excel environment, so that your familiarity with the Excel environment and all the features therein will guide you and help you to learn better how to use Microsoft Excel in business environment. Go on to the next video.